How to create breakout rooms in Google Meet. Join the meeting. Click on the tools icon that you can see on the screen. You can see various tools over here. Scroll down in order to find this option for breakout rooms. This is a premium feature. You'll have to upgrade your account in order to access it. Right now I do not have it. But if you have the premium account, click on it in order to start it. In the creation panel, choose the number of rooms you need. You can create up to 100. The participants will be distributed equally. You can also manually assign them. You can also shuffle in order to randomly mix up the participants. Click on the option Open Rooms in the bottom right in order to begin the sessions. Now the breakout rooms will be created. Like this, you can create breakout rooms in Google Meet. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.